Well, I'm pretty convinced my coupe hates me because I'm now 2-0, which is not cool. So last time, she kind of caught on fire. Haven't really been driving it since. I was kind of trying to get another turbo because the turbo messed up. So I put a stock one on, smokes a little bit, didn't really want to drive it. However, I ended up legalizing my car and it's been fun, except for I just fried my ECU. And it's not too exciting. Coupler ended up walking loose, which dropped my intake, and it rubbed on the power steering and burnt my ECU. So I had this super sweet key off his ECU, but now she's fried. Let's see if my buddy Pete could repair it, drop it off sooner or later. So my boy Mash came through, hooked me up with a stock ECU. So I'm gonna throw my stock ECU in here, repair this harness, and see how she does. All right, so I did a temporary repair till I can make it back to my shop. I'll fix the harness, add a bracket this time, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. All right, I'm gonna install this in ECU and we're gonna see if she starts. All right, got the ECU in. Now it's magic time. Let's see if she runs. Woo! Sucks, but at least she runs down. It's gonna be a lot slower. This key off the ECU was pretty peppy. So I noticed the stock ECU and the RPMs aren't that great from before. So I'm gonna finish putting this ECU back together and let's go on a quick test drive. street driving my cars a lot because of my job. I got to keep a license, and when I drive these cars on the street, I really can't keep a license. I pretty much toned down a lot with driving too reckless. I still get on there every now and then, but it's fun to be back in the car street creeping, you know. We're out here on this beautiful road in Florida with the sun shining. Well, she works. She ain't fast. I went from T28 to T25 and then burnt my key off his ECU. So now I'm back to stock. Soon I'd like to upgrade, but it costs a lot of money, and that's later on. So I'm gonna go ahead back. Might not get too crazy because there's some cops up and down the street. Downgraded, but she runs. Yesterday she wasn't running. Back home, got a couple things to do on her, tighten her up, eventually turbo, and hopefully another ECU, but for now she's basically stock again. All right, until next time.